Hi everybody, this is Christian with Cross Jeep, here with an insanely badass truck of ours. This is a real hidden gem. It is a 1987 Ford F250 XLT Lariat. Alright, I also want to talk about this amazing interior. So we as a dealership went in and did at least $2,700 worth of repairs, making sure that she's off-road capable with the 4x4 and other things like the AC. Whereas with the interior, it really did not need too much work done in and of itself. It's got an amazing interior that looks like it rolled right out of the history books with some gorgeous dark red, nice little hybrid of leather and cloth going on in here. We got a cloth in the front and then a little bit of leather in the back. It really makes for an amazing finish on this truck. Up at the rear here, we have an amazing topper that is bolted on, but it is removable. Very easy to open as well. Inside, you've also got an extra spare tires, a hidden little gem inside here, but a very well taken care of 1987 Ford. Thank you for hanging out with me and checking out this amazing vehicle. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and let us know what you think of the videos. I'm Christian with Cross Jeep. Feel free to give us a shout and to see you soon.